Alright, this is just going to be a quick video on how to change U-joints on is a Dana drive shaft. It's going to be the quickest and easiest way. I've seen a lot of people out there using sockets and screwdrivers and a whole bunch of other weird methods to do it, but this is just going to be the quickest way to do it. So again, this is the easiest way. I just used a pair of pliers, get the snap ring out, just got an old scrap vise laying around, laid in there loosely, you know, it doesn't take much. Then you just take it, just hit it. That's one. Take it, flip it over. Two. And that's taking it off. Now to put it back on, same thing, you know. I just take it and I lay it right on the ground after it's on. And I prefer a ball peen hammer because then you just tap right on it and it goes inside. You can seat it fully. That's the quickest and easiest way to do it. Thanks for watching.